Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for the best product recommendations. Today, we're diving into one of the most highly recommended vacuum cleaners for pet owners, the Bissell 2252 CleanView Swivel Upright Bagless Vacuum. If you have pets, particularly dogs, and you're tired of battling pet hair, this could be the game changer you've been looking for. First off, let's talk about the design and maneuverability. The CleanView 2252 features swivel steering, making it incredibly easy to navigate around furniture, corners, and tight spaces. The lightweight build, at just 12.5 pounds, ensures you can easily carry it from room to room, and it's comfortable to handle even during longer cleaning sessions. But don't let its size fool you. It's packed with powerful features designed for serious cleaning. One of the standout features of this vacuum is its triple-action brush roll. This isn't your standard brush roll. It's designed specifically to loosen, lift, and remove embedded pet hair. Whether your dog sheds constantly or you're dealing with stubborn hair stuck deep in carpets, the CleanView does a great job of picking it up with minimal effort. If you have a dog that loves to run around and leave a trail of fur, you'll notice the difference immediately. When it comes to cleaning surfaces, the Bissell 2252 doesn't just stick to one type of flooring. It's designed for multi-surface cleaning, which means you can go from carpet to hardwood floors without having to adjust settings every time. What a relief, right? Another feature I love is the large dirt tank. The CleanView 2252 comes with a 1-liter capacity, so you can clean longer without needing to empty it constantly. When it's time to dump the dirt, Bissell makes it easy with the Easy Empty Dirt Tank, so you won't have to deal with messy bags or complicated systems. Let's not forget the included pet tools, like the Pet Turbo Eraser tool, which helps you tackle the toughest hair and debris in upholstery or on stairs. With these specialized tools, you can give your home a complete clean, no matter where the pet hair hides. In terms of filtration, the Bissell 2252 uses a multi-level filtration system, which traps dust and allergens, making it a great choice for those who suffer from allergies. Whether you're vacuuming pet hair, dirt, or dust, the CleanView ensures that the air in your home stays cleaner. And if you're someone who has a lot of rooms to clean, the 27-foot cord gives you plenty of reach, meaning fewer plug changes during your cleaning sessions. The cord is long enough to cover multiple rooms without having to drag the vacuum all over the place. Overall, if you're looking for the best vacuum cleaner for dog hair, the Bissell 2252 CleanView Swivel Upright Bagless Vacuum is a solid choice. It combines powerful pet hair pickup with ease of use and excellent maneuverability. Plus, with its affordable price tag of $119.99, it offers great value for its performance. So, that's our review of the Bissell 2252 CleanView Swivel Upright Vacuum. If you've tried this vacuum or have any questions about it, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product reviews from Product Critique. Thanks for watching.